Hey, I'm Matt with Me Church. I'm here at Troubadour Festival in Celina, Texas. This is one of my favorite events of the year. It's absolutely the best barbecue festival in Texas, and it ain't even close. This one's gonna be so fun. It's like Epcot Center. We've got 5 different areas of barbecue. We've got the Asian barbecue section. We've got All About Pork. We've got Texmex barbecue, which has just blown up lately. We've got the 44 Farms beef tent, and back here, we've got the Meat Church and Friends. My buddies, we got Rossler's Blue Cord Barbecue, we've got Evie Mays, we've got Coop from Bar A Barbecue, we've got Nolan from B4 down at Cedar Creek Lake, and we've got my buddy Chris from Smoky Joe's in Dallas, all cooked over live fire in our tent. It's gonna be a ton of fun. And this is like one big family. I mean, I got here today, and there's 3 of my partners set up here. We've got lifted trucks here, we've got Turtle Box, we've got Rosewood Block, and countless other vendors. There are tons of things to do. Headline tonight, big music later with Clay Walker playing. It's gonna be a ton of fun. So let's go see what my friends are cooking and eat some great barbecue. First stop, Asian barbecue, my favorite, with my buddy Cameron, who since he's last been on our show, has made the Texas Monthly Top 50.
Yes.
I'm gonna call a big O, I told you so. Anyway, go see him. What are you making today?
I'm doing the Korean boudin balls, which is gochujang, Gucci Gang.
Perfect.
Pulled pork with fried rice and gochujang sauce. So yeah.
Can I try this?
Yeah, try it.
Can I take one?
Yeah, take one.
You gotta take the toothpick out first.
I'm always doing fried stuff with you.
I know. Where I come from, we fry everything. Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll have to do a boudin.
We gotta do this now.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so good. Go see him. Fate, Texas. Where the hell's Fate, Texas? I know. My daughter played volleyball there.
If you know where Rockwall is, it's about 35 minutes east of Dallas.
There you go.
Right by Rockwall.
Okay. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thanks for coming out.
All right, I'm here with my buddy Brian, Sunbird Barbecue. We're in the Texmex barbecue area. We go like really far back. We met way back at Bodacious on Mobberly back when they were on the Texas Monthly Top 50.
Yeah, man.
And then this stud incubated out, created his own barbecue joint, and just hit the Texas Monthly Top 50.
Yes, sir.
What a story.
Yeah, it's been awesome. It's been a lot of ups and downs, but cool to finally make it. It's been like a full circle moment for us, so it's been awesome.
I love it. Well, tell us what you made today.
Yeah, so today, right now, we're slicing up a brisket carne guisada boudin, and then my wife made a dulce de leche pudding, and then for GA, we've got some chicken tinga tacos we'll be setting up, but right now, we're doing that boudin. So
what's it gonna cost me to convince you to let me try this?
And free 99. Here you go, just a nice little slice right there.
Oh my Lord, look at that. Was this influenced by what you used to make with Jordan?
Yeah, man, so that's kind of where it all started, and then I just consistently worked on it, and then like we've made a bunch of different variations. This is the newest one that we've done where we actually take David's brisket guisada that he makes. We make that, and then I cook that down and mix it into the rice and add some like cubed up pieces of the burnt ends of the brisket, some cilantro, green onions, and then our Texmex seasoning.
They're in East Texas, so this makes sense. But man, I like the carne guisada. Like, dude, the Southwestern flair in boudin.
Yeah,
that is a win. You got to go get that. All right, tell everybody where to find you.
So we're in Longview, Texas. Our building is at 415 North High Street in Longview. Open Wednesday through Saturday, 11 to 3 or sell out.
And they're gonna sell out.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, man.
Yeah, of course. It's good to see you.
Yeah. Tyler, all the way from Amarillo, Texas. And I'm pretty excited because you actually did real barbecue, which is sometimes a lost art at a barbecue festival.
Well, you know, I don't know about you, but I love playing with fire. It's my favorite thing. And so when we have an opportunity to go someplace weird, play with fire, make something that people haven't had before, makes me so happy.
What do you got today?
Today we've got pork spare ribs. We're one of the things what we'll do is I always tell people when they ask questions, well, how do you do that? Well, I shake a little pepper on it because you put that much pepper in it, makes it way too hot to put it in the rub. I rub them down, I let them sit for about 15 minutes real quick to absorb some moisture from the ribs and from the air. Then we put them on, and then here we are at 276. I cook them a little hotter.
276.
276.
I love that.
And bam.
Woo!
So this is our second round today. We've got the first round off already. I think we split it in half, and we had like 44 racks the first time. This is like 46. Close that up so we don't lose all our heat, and then they're mad at me.
And you cook them straight through?
Straight through, and then we'll rest them for a few minutes. We don't really mop them or sauce them. Every once in a while we'll sauce them, but the kids thought they were too hot when we did that. So cook them straight through, wait till they soften up on that third bone and it starts to separate, and then we know they're beautiful and yummy. And love playing with fire. So what do you think?
Oh, look at that. I'm ready. You gonna have one with me?
I'm gonna have one with you.
Now we're talking.
With the flag, how about that? Hey, cheers.
Hey, cheers, meat cheers. Oh, perfectly cooked. That's what I'm talking about. No frills, just badass Texas barbecue.
It's a little barbecue love.
Dude, that's good. Tell them where to find you.
We're in beautiful Amarillo, Texas, off of I-40, exit 68A, 3/4 of a mile south of the highway. And come and ask for me, I'll be there. I'll be the one playing with the fire.
He will be there. Thanks, man.
Absolutely, thank you. Good to see you, man.
Ooh. All right, I'm here with my longtime buddy, Russell. I mean, barbecue legend, especially at these festivals. Multiple locations, which you're gonna talk about, but man, tell me what you made here, and I'm gonna dig in.
So today we've got a sirloin flap that we've just grilled over oak. Some people, there's other names for it. Some people call it a bavette steak. We just call it greatness. I call it an upscale fajita.
Oh my, that's so tender.
It is, those things are great. It's just tender, it's cooked, we cook it to about 130 and just let it rest up.
Just salted?
That's just it, salt. Plain old salt, you don't need anything else with that. We really let the beef flavor come through.
Yeah.
No need to mask it with anything else.
I love when it's just no nonsense. Man, tell everybody where to find you.
So we've got two locations. We're at 2223 South Boss in Houston, and then we've got a store on the Katy Freeway in Katy as well. It's 20702 Katy Freeway. Boss location's open 7 days a week. Katy location is open 6 days a week. Y'all come see us.
This man's the only reason I will ever go to Houston, Texas. All right, we're here in our tent finally, Meet Church and Friends live fire event with all of my buddies. But I just looked over and saw our line, which is absolutely crazy. But let's go see what everybody's making. All right, we've got B4 Argentinian gaucho steak. Oh, I ain't mad at it. Thank y'all for being here. What we got here? Top sirloin with sweet potato casserole. I'm in on that. Y'all know I love Smokey Joe's in Dallas. You guys remember Coop? He did grilled chicken quarters in our kitchen. Well, all right, he's got some 44 Farms chuck flap, and let me tell you, I saw it earlier. This might be the most marbled piece of meat here. Just how I like it. Just north of Mooin. Ooh. Ah, it's damn good. While he's doing this, my man Arnis, Evie Mays, not only of Lubbock, Wolfworth, also Miramar Beach, right behind our Florida house. I can't recommend enough that you go there. It's a massive, beautiful facility. Like, I'm in awe of what's going on here right now. And, you know, it's not real cool out, but I'm nice and warm here. Woo! Did you make this?
I did. I built that pit. Yep. And I'm traveling light this weekend by myself, and I wasn't really sure what I was gonna do, but this is
Looks pretty dang good. You making some kebabs?
Yep. 44 farms, strip loin, hard cooked, sous vide, salted, and seared.
Dude, now we're talking the Meat Church live fire area. No, it's Meat Church and Friends live fire area. All right, here with my homie Steven Rossler. I saved the best for last. Tell us about this dessert.
So we have a brown sugar and cinnamon pork belly ice cream.
Oh my God.
So obviously had to go a little bit different. Last year we had brisket. This year we were like pork belly, and we threw some New York strip on the live fire, but here he has that pork belly ice cream.
It does not suck. I'm here in the Meat Church tent. We have a crazy long line. Super excited, but we got a lot on the menu today. We started out with our smoked chicken and waffles. So we made a miniature waffle. We put Hail Mary on a chicken wing and we smoked it, like long smoked it, like hours. We put that on top of the waffle, had a little bit of syrup, a little bit of powdered sugar. That was our brunch item. Then we switched into our carne asada tacos. So toasted corn tortilla, we marinated skirt steak, carne asada marinade. We smoked that on the mill scale 1,000 gallon, then we grilled it off on our live fire table, served that with some cilantro and onions and a little green sauce, so it's nice and classic street Texas taco. Then we're gonna finish it up with the lowest of level culinary, but the best thing in this whole event, our famous smoked s'mores. Graham cracker, marshmallow, Reese's cup, smoked on the mill scale with post oak until it's nice and melty. I love being here at barbecue festivals, get to see all of my friends. It's a reuniting of the barbecue family, but to be able to talk to all of our customers, take pictures, hear about our recipes that they're making. Beautiful weather, Texas country music, doesn't get any better than this. Man, what a day, ton of fun. I've been trying to lose weight and I ate more today than I've eaten in the past week. I'm more impressed with the barbecue and grilled items that were here than I have been in a long time at a festival. I will say the coolest part of the day for me, other than catching up with my barbecue family, would be all the people that I met that traveled here from all over the country, some for Troubadour and a whole lot to meet Meat Church, which was nuts. We had families from Philadelphia, Illinois, Colorado, Utah. I mean, that's definitely very humbling. So super fun. Food was delicious, but now it's time to unwind a little bit. Concert starting. We got Silverado, Cody Canada, Randall King, Braxton Keith, headlined by the legendary Clay Walker. I'm gonna go check that out. Hey, if you like this, like and subscribe. Your subscriptions are how we keep doing this, and I'll see you guys next week.